Hey everyone! Waving and welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something absolutely super to share. Disney has just brought The Incredibles 2 house to life. And trust me, it's every Pixar fan's dream come true. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, drop a comment telling us which Pixar movie you'd want to live in, and don't forget to subscribe because this one's special. Alright, picture this. You pull up to a sleek, mid-century modern home straight out of The Incredibles 2. Clean lines, bold shapes, and that signature futuristic flair. It's not a movie set, it's real. Built by Walt Disney Imagineering as part of their new Storyliving by Disney community, this home sits in the desert oasis of Rancho Mirage, California, in a neighborhood called Cotino. The house itself, called the Parr House, looks like something Bob and Helen Parr would actually come home to after a day of saving the world. Floor-to-ceiling glass walls frame the mountains and a shimmering turquoise lagoon. Inside, every detail pays homage to the film, from the retro furniture and geometric lighting to tiny Easter eggs like cereal boxes and family portraits that make it feel like the Parrs just stepped out for a mission. But here's the twist. This isn't just a model home. It's part of a full living community designed around storytelling, creativity, and connection. Residents get access to private clubs, waterfront lounges, and even special Disney-led events. It's not just living in a house, it's living inside a story. Now, of course, this level of magic comes with a price tag, but for Disney fans or design lovers, it's more than a home, it's an experience. A glimpse into how the world of Disney is blending imagination with real life. So, what do you think? Would you live in the Incredibles house? Let me know in the comments below. And if you loved this peek inside Disney's boldest real estate project yet, smash that like button and share this video with someone who's as Disney obsessed as you are. See you next time, heroes. Man, superhero sparkles.